Hey guys, this is another sew along project with me, and this is going to be a kind of like a bodysuit with the connector tie top in the front. So if you guys can see, this is one pants leg that I have cut, and then we just going to trace out the second one. And when we're doing the fabric, guys, we want to make sure that this actually is a very stretchy fabric. But remember, I want to stretch right to left, not up and down. But this is like a four-way. So when you guys are making your leggings and cloning your clothes, make sure you do it that way. And for like clothes that is not, for clothes that does not have spandex in it, guys, those measurements got to be precise. They can't be wrong at all because you won't be able to fit it. So I would say if you're going to make an outfit that doesn't have any stretch in it, you need to be exact. You got to go off your exact measurement. So if your waist is 36 inches, you need to get that 36 inches in the waist. You need to get that 46 in the hips or whatever. You know, all that stuff got to be accurate. So I'm just lining it up, guys, and I'm going to cut out. And I normally just clone my leggings. How I wind up getting the pattern of what my pants going to be, I use a pair of leggings that fit me just right. So you're just going to take this and you're going to lay it directly on the fabric, and you're going to cut out a duplicate when you're making the pants. You're going to cut out a duplicate. So that's what I'm going to do right here, guys. And then I'm going to stop the video, and then the next step, I'm going to come live and I'm going to cut out the actual top for you guys, the top piece. So you line that up, guys, and you're just going to cut out your second pants leg. And if your fabric has certain patterns in it where you want it to match that up. So I'm just cutting this out, guys. Cutting it out. And this is some really pretty fabric. And the fabric that store that I get this from is Harrison Fabrics in Minnesota. A big company. But when I asked them if they would be interested in me linking their stuff and shipping it, they was like, no, that they wouldn't do that. So guys, like if it's some fabric that they have in, and it is quite a lot, where the fabric store is really big, and if it's a fabric that y'all really love, I wouldn't mind to go and get the fabric for you guys and cut it and ship it. So the only thing is that because I go to this fabric store a lot, I would just ask for reimbursement for my gas, guys. So if I drive over there, it's like about 25-30 minutes. So I just ask for you guys to cover $20 for my gas, and of course you do your shipping, and then you just pay for your fabric if you really want it. So now I have two pants legs, and I go to the next step, guys. Bye. Okay, guys, now that I've sewn the pants leg down, both pants legs, so now what we're going to do is connect the pants leg. So this one is wrong sides, guys. And now we go right sides together. So this is the right side, and you're just going to shove it into the pants leg. And then find the leg seam, which is right there. And find this leg seam, guys. See these two? And connect these two together. Line the seams up, connect these two together. And then start from the top of the fabric and sew it all the way down. So you take it now to the sewing machine, and we're going to sew this all the way around till we get to the other side. I am using a zigzag. I go through, and everybody do it different. I do a straight stitch so that I can just have my seam straight, and then I'll go through it with the zigzag stitch. I actually own multiple sergers. So I packed to move, guys, because I was buying a house and things. And then I kind of, that situation, I was like, didn't work out the way I wanted it to be. So I wound up not getting that particular house. I actually got a bigger plan for something even bigger. So, you know, God, things works out in mysterious ways. So with that being said, all my stuff is like packed. So I'm going to get the serger out because the serger will cut and hem at the same time. So actually, I think I'm going to go do that. I'm going to go downstairs because I own 2 sergers. If you can see, one of them is right there. Still bundled up. I got another one that's downstairs. It's not packed up. So I'm going to go get that one and thread it. It's just the sergers. It's like, they're kind of complicated to thread. Uh-oh, I ain't sewing anything. My thread popped. So I'm going to finish putting this together, guys. And then we'll come back with the next step. But I'm connecting the pants. All right. Guys, next step. So after sewing that, the pants are connected and put together. So now what we're going to do, I'm going to do the elastic for these pants. So basically, you take the elastic, guys, and you take it and you measure it around your waist and how long you want it to be and how tight. So I don't want it too tight, so I like my pants to fit like that. So there go the elastic. I'm going to cut it, and we're going to take a safety pin and fish it through the pants, guys. This will be, you putting the elastic in the pants, you take a safety pin, put the safety pin right here, guys, push it through, and find your opening. Where's my opening? Let me sit down. This will be better. Hold on, guys. This light right here, I'm going to lose this light, guys. It hurts my eyes. So I'm going to find the opening because I already sewn it going all the way around. I need to find my opening. The fabric looks so much alike. Okay, so here's my opening, guys. And you take this safety pin and you're going to fish it all the way through. That's not the opening. Oh, where's the opening? Oh, where's my opening? Wow. Did I sew the whole thing together? I'm searching for my opening, guys. There it go. Can't really see. The fabric looks so much alike. So you take the safety pin and you slide that through. Now with this, guys, be a little careful because you see all these holes in the fabric. You can easily bring the safety pin through the hole. So like I just did. So this is going to be a little more complicated than what I thought for the fact that all of the holes that this fabric got. So guys, just take your time and push it through and try not to bring the safety pin through one of the holes in the fabric. So I'm going to get off and just fish it all the way around, and I'll come back with the next step of making a shirt. All right. Okay, guys. So now what I want to show you when I'm getting ready to do this part of the shirt, guys, and how I come up with this long piece. If you guys see right here, I got my arm curve right here, right? And then I got my waistline, right? So now what I'm going to do from here, guys, I'm going to cut like that at an angle and go all the way down. So let me try to sit it down like this. And it's hard, I guess, for me expressing that because of the angle I'm coming from. So I'm going to come from way down here because I want these long tassels. So when I go from way down here, guys, I cut, because I want the tie thing in the front. And then once I get to up to where my hips is going to be, I start curving and going up like that. So then I come, I'm going to show you this angle again. So you guys can see, this what you wind up with. See? In this long line. That's what you winding up with. So now what I'm going to do is to make it, I'm finna remove this piece. So now I come this way, guys, and I cut, 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 like this. So that's how I'm getting the top part of my shirt. Guys, see that? That's how I'm going to get the top part of my shirt. Just like that. That's the top part. Okay, so sit it down. So if you guys can see, this is what that one curved piece is going to be like. It goes right here, because you see this is going to tie around right here, and then the back is going to be out. So this is that top piece. So now I got to duplicate. I got to make another one of these, and I got to do the back. So now what I'm going to show you guys is how to make the back part. Okay, so this front, I need another one of these cut out. I'm finna worry about making the back piece at this time. And then I go back and make the other piece. So I was just trying to show you guys how I wind up creating that piece. Because everybody be wanting to know, like, how do you, because I don't use a pattern. I make the patterns myself. So now I'm getting the fabric ready again. And I'm taking it and I'm folding it right sides together. So I do right sides together. So now I want to create the back of my shirt. So I got to take this part and put it on here, but put it facing. So you guys see what I did? I know it's hard to kind of see because the fabrics and the color. So I took this top piece right here, guys, and I'm laying it on here because what we finna create now is the back of the shirt. So now what I'm finna do, guys, when I cut this out, I'm gonna cut it just like this because we want the back to line up. Just like this, just like this. Instead of giving it this V-neck, it's the back of the thing. I'm just gonna cut it like that. So that's what I'm gonna do, guys. So let me get that ready. Okay, so now the back piece, I'm gonna take it, and the back is gonna actually be a little longer to cover up more of the back. So it's not gonna be short like the front of the top. So I cut, and we're only gonna need one piece of this, but guys, this one is on the fold. It's on the fold. So now, and then cut around, and then I'm gonna show you guys what the back piece is gonna look like. And then right here, I'm gonna do this little loop for the neck, and then cut right across. Okay, so I'm gonna turn the camera back around to you guys, and now I have, you guys can see, this is the back piece of the shirt. It's the back. So this is the back, and then this part is the front piece. Remember, this is gonna tie. See that? This is the front, and that's the back. So when you go to connect them together, I'm gonna lay it down, connect it, and then I'll come back and. So when you lay it down, of course you're gonna connect it right sides together. So, and you'll just connect your piece like that, and we'll be good. So now I'm finna cut out the other piece, guys, for the other part, and then I'll come back with you guys and go from there. Okay? And I'm looking a lot pale, guys. I actually got on my banana powder and stuff, and then my phone has a light, so when the light shine back on me, I don't know, I'm like a vampire. I like everything dark. A lot of light hurt my eyes. I got severe dry allergies, and light really aches my eyes, so that's why I keep everything like dull, and I always keep the blinds closed and never open them up. So okay, guys, that's why I'm looking like Michael Jackson when I'm like, ooh, I'm bright. All right. Hey guys, so now this is what your project should look like. So if you guys see, I have my sleeves already cut out. So guys, this right here is cut at a like a V shape, because this is going to be a roll hem, and then this, guys, the back of this shirt is going to be connected to the bodysuit, and then the sides is going to be out. So not like my actual stomach, but the sides is going to be out. This part is going to connect to the back of the bodysuit. And then remember how we get these long ties that come down, and then these going to be the bell sleeves, guys. So now I am about to put this together, and then once I put it together, guys, I'm going to go and put it on and kind of show you guys, and then I connect the back of the pants to this top. Let me get it started. Guys, so as you guys can see, I'm actually doing the roll, fold over and roll the hem going all the way around. So that's what I'm doing now, doing the hemming process, guys. So if you guys can see, that's what I'm doing now. But I need 2 hands to finish, so let me get done. Okay, guys, this is what we have so far. So if you guys can see, now what I'm going to do is connect the back part of the shirt. Let me move my hair. I'm going to connect the back part of the shirt to the pants, if you guys can see, and then on each side, the outfit is going to have an opening. So I'm going to connect the back part of the shirt to that, and then I have my sleeve ready, guys. So I'm going to connect the sleeves. I'm going to connect the sleeves. So now I'm going to connect the sleeve, and this time I did a triangle bell versus the circle. So then I'm going to connect that to the shirt, guys. I'm going to sew all that, and when I come back, it'll be pretty much complete, guys. But this is the outfit that I'm putting together, and I love it. Yeah, it's a really nice scratchy fabric. So let me get to sewing. All right. Hey guys, it's your girl A. Marie from A. Marie Lace Wigs, and as you guys can see, the outfit is all finished, guys. I'm all finished with the outfit. So if you guys do this sew along, guys, I did the started being in a V shape. I did the triangle bell sleeves on. So remember, I cut the back so it leaves the sides out. So the sides out on each side. So for some women that don't want to show their stomach, they want a little sexy side of the stomach showing, and then the shirt can tie and crisscross in multiple ways. But I don't have on the bra thing, so I don't want to start playing around and, you know, something pop out. So I just got it like this for right now. So as you guys can see, this is the finishing results. And if you guys want to do this sew along, try it out. This fabric came from a fabric store out here in Minnesota, Harrison Fabrics, but they don't even ship, guys. It's just all in-store fabric. So as always, thank you guys so much for watching. As always, God bless. Bye-bye. So guys, these are a couple still shot of the outfit that I am wearing, guys. So if you guys want to try this out, I really love this outfit, and I am totally here for the crisscross shape top. So guys, try this project out at home and make some awesome, beautiful, lovely outfits. So I wanted you guys to be able to create this with confidence, my sew along videos. And thank you guys so much for always watching and support my channel. I am so pleased to be able to present my work to you guys. God bless. Bye-bye.